Give service to all people. And when I say all people, I'm not just talking about customers. Serve your fellow employees. Nobody would help you kundi tayo-tayo rin lang. If you do not extend your helping hand to one another, nothing can be gained. Yes, we are focused on customers, but the very basic thing, once you log in, once you go into the morning briefing, the very basic thing is to have that sense of gratitude. I always say this, you thank the Lord. Lord, thank you for this blessing. I have a very good job. Itong trabahong ito, maraming gustong kumuha kapag hindi ko inalagaan. Lord, thank you for giving me office mates. 10 hours, 12 hours ko silang kasama. I don't have any choice anymore except to love them and to love them sincerely. Lord, thank you for giving me a happy heart that all these years, me and my family have been benefiting from my precious job. That's the only time that you can start serving your customers. You cannot serve your customers without a gratified heart. So serve all the people that come and go in your branches. At kapag nag-log out ka, say a simple and sincere, thank you for this job. Lord, bukas po ulit. Rest assured